Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update One UI 7 on Samsung Galaxy A23. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. The Settings app is where all the magic happens. You can change everything from display settings to privacy, security, and more. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. Now type in Software Update in the search bar. Within a second or two, your phone will display related settings. You might see options listed under sections like Advanced Features, Device Care, or Battery and Device Care, depending on your phone model and software version. Step 4. From the list, tap on the option that says Software Update. Next, select Download and Install. Your phone will now check if the One UI 7 update is available. Make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi and has enough battery, or plug it in to charge just in case. Step 5. For the last and most important step, if the update is available, you'll see a download button. Tap it and your phone will begin downloading One UI 7. After the download finishes, your phone will prompt you to install. Confirm and let the phone restart. After that, follow the instructions. And that's it. You've now successfully updated to One UI 7. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.